Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy and send Bitcoin on Kraken. So what you're gonna do in order to buy Bitcoin, hit trade at the bottom right after you verify, of course, and sign up and add all of your correct details. And once you verify your account, obviously, and sign up, hit trade at the bottom right, and you're gonna find buy at the first option. Just hit it. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just select Bitcoin, right? Enter the amount, okay, and what you're gonna do, just hit the arrow to continue, and now you can confirm that you want to buy $5 of Bitcoin, or you can change the payment method. If you don't have cash on the side, you can just change it to your Apple Pay, your credit or debit card, basically doing the same steps and confirming that you want to buy $5 of Bitcoin, right? Now, if you want to send a Bitcoin, what you're gonna do, hit the portfolio at the bottom middle or bottom left, scroll a bit down to find a Bitcoin, just hit it. And if you want to send Bitcoin to another wallet, just scroll a bit down and you're gonna find withdraw. So I'm gonna hit withdraw. Okay, and select your network. Okay, let's say I'm using Lightning, right? I'm gonna enter the Lightning request from the different wallet or from the other wallet, and continue to send my Bitcoin on that chain. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.